Hey, I'm here in the Florida Everglades with a standard mechanized death robotic mobile weapon system. Pretty much same thing everyone in Florida has or will have at some point. It got a onboard navigator drone, 308 cannon, all-terrain motion system, isoelastic suspension, and right here is a onboard electrical generator. It's got a little control console, totally mobile. You can take it with you, go alligator hunting, and that's what we're planning on doing. But first, you have to turn it on and check all the systems because she was under about 3 feet of water in a flood recently. Everglades, freshwater, so in theory everything should still work, but we got to check it out before we can go alligator hunting. Okay, so turning her on. First thing, check is that her phone is charging because robot has to be able to phone home. This little blue light here says that phone probably is charging. And yeah, we got a lightning bolt, so the phone's charging. Next thing we gotta test is start the generator. She won't be making electricity for long if her generator is not running. So, Miss Bunny, make electricity. Sounds pretty good, but we gotta go check that she's actually putting out voltage. Now this right here, in theory, that should read, somewhere 13.6, 13.8 volts. It's close to the battery, so it's got the voltage of the battery more so than the voltage of the alternator. But 13.4 volts, what it's showing is okay. If I tweak it a little bit, give it a little bit more gas, it's going to generate more electricity. It's not doing anything right now. It's gonna increase the RPMs when it does start to do work and burn electricity. Next thing I want to check is that the drone is charging. It's got a charger built into the landing pad, you can see. It's basically an electric grid like they have in the old bumper cars on the ceiling, I think. There's no red light here, but there is a blue light here that suggests that there is power, but it's just fully charged. So, drone is fully charged. It's ready to go. Next thing we got to check is her cameras, the onboard camera and the sighting camera. They actually look pretty good. I don't know if you can see this, but that is the sighting camera. It'll move a little bit when I change the direction of the sight. So you can see that it's sighting in, or it's moving the turret. And over here we got the general forward view camera. And that's good enough for now, because all we need right now is forward view camera and sighting camera. Gonna test the gun motion turret. Can't kill alligators if you can't point. So let's try left. Looking good. Right. Okay. Down. And up. Looks like we're ready to point at things. Next thing we're going to test is shooting. Can't shoot alligators if you can't shoot. Miss Bunny, shoot the ground. Woohoo! It's fun. Next thing we have to test is scouting our targets. I'm going to send the drone out to find something to shoot. Found some targets. Everything seems to work, so I guess it's time to go hunting. Looks good so far. Gone a little slow out of the gate here just to make sure that the one thing we haven't tested, which is the motion system, is working okay. It looks pretty good. Hey, that was the most fun thing ever. Look at all these, dead cars. You see that? Anyway, I'm going to the pub.